Do you have to take your shoes off in order to do yoga? Absolutely not. But there are a lot of good reasons why you should. I'm Krista. It's time for your Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. When we wear shoes to do yoga, our feet get a lot of stability, right? Because the shoe keeps our foot in place. But what you'll discover is that if you are in a position to take off your shoes, you can have so much more flexibility and get more openness of your feet that are so important. It's valuable to practice yoga in bare feet because so often we are in shoes and our feet, our muscles get tight and tense. And so being able to practice yoga without shoes on is an incredible way to bring some attention, to bring some directing and some openness to your feet. But absolutely, if for whatever reason you are not comfortable doing yoga without shoes on, keep your shoes on. Sometimes it's the right choice because it will help us stay safe. It'll help us feel stable. And so ultimately, the decision is up to you. Next time on your mat, try it with shoes and without and notice the difference. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.